How to remove creator from Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove creator account from Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have the Instagram application and that you have a creator account, so in my case if I come to profile page, you can see I have got a professional creator account, so I want to remove that creator account and switch it back to a personal account. Now to do this, open up your Instagram, come to the profile page, then tap on the three lines from the top right, then go to the option called settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you can see for professionals it says creator tools and controls. If you have business account, you'll see business tools and controls. So tap on this tools and controls option, scroll down, you'll find switch account type. Tap on switch account type and then select switch to personal account. So when you now tap on switch to personal account, you'll be able to basically tap on switch to personal account and then switch them successfully. This way you can go ahead and then remove creator on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.